You know, I won a game today.
Let's squat out this.
Next time you want to use the word obvious, hook me up. Let's begin the alternatives for the word obvious. It's as plain as a pikestaff. It's as plain as a nose on your face. It's a foregone conclusion, which means there's no argument about it. No need to argue about it. It's obvious. It's a foregone conclusion. It's loud and clear. It's writ large. Beyond doubt. Beyond a shadow of doubt. By all means. It's clear cut. As clear as crystal. In the bag, this idiom, it means it's secured, it's certain, no doubt about it. Nail it down or nailed down. Next is, it goes without saying. It's obvious, it goes without saying. As clear as day. It's as clear as day. It sticks out a mile. Sticks out a mile means very clear and obvious. Okay, right under my nose. Surefire means obvious, certain. No ifs and buts. It's open and shut. Means it's obvious. It's so obvious that it's evident, it's noticeable. Oh, it's a matter of fact. Or it's de facto. De facto means, okay, it's real. It's very evident and obvious. Next is for fair. For fair means very right and reasonable. Next possibility is in all actuality. Okay, it's bound to happen. In all actuality means it was bound to happen. Next is indubitably. The American way of pronunciation is indubitably. No wonder. It's not a wonder. Next is rain or shine. Rain or shine means it was expected to happen. You would do it. Rain or shine. Next is with all heart. Next is it's center stage or it's readily seen. Some of the non-idiomatic alternative expressions in place of obvious would be apparently, evidently, conspicuously, incontestably, undoubtedly, prominently, indeed, absolutely, honestly, assuredly, verily, saliently, and blatant.